Okay, we have one last question to finish, and then I'm going to give you guys an activity to do, and I will post homework on the Google Drive as well. So I would like you to determine the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that passes through 0, 4, and is perpendicular to the line joining 2, -6, and -5, 0. So perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points, first thing I got to find the slope between those 2 points. So find m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 0 minus -6 over -5 minus 2. So I end up with 6 over -7. We don't leave it like that. Either on top or in front is good. Okay, so this is the slope of the line joining to -6 and -5, 0. But in forming my new line, okay, I'm looking for the slope that is perpendicular to those lines. So if slope equals -6 over 7, then, this is just saying then, the perpendicular slope is, that one is negative, so this one's going to be positive, and the reciprocal is flipped to 7 over 6. So my new line is going to have slope 7 over 6. I also know that it goes through this point 0, 4. Now, there's a few different ways you can do this. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, well, if x equals 0, then this is my y-intercept. Okay, and if we're looking at y equals mx plus b, I'm looking to fill in my coefficient for slope and my y-intercept. Well, I know my y-intercept is going to be 4. So I know slope is 7 over 6, and my y-intercept is 4, and that's because it goes through the point 0, 4, which is the y-intercept. So I'm just going to plug this in. I've got 7 over 6, x plus 4. And it asked me to finish my equation in slope-intercept form. I'm in slope-intercept form. So I am done. This is my answer. All right. I've got some questions listed below. I would like you to work as a group, and I'm thinking these should be done by the end of class. Let's have them due at the end of class. Hand it in. I'm going to mark them, and then we can have some good class discussions next week when I'm back. So I hope that made sense. Please jot down some questions, ask your neighbors. I would like you to work through these and finish them for the end of class and hand them in for marks. And then we can have some great discussions about them next class. Have a great weekend, guys.